In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a special character in Canva. If you've ever needed a math symbol, a science mark, or an accented letter and couldn't find it on your keyboard, this will make your life a lot easier. I'll show you the quickest in Canva option first, then a reliable method using your computer's built-in tools. Follow along inside your existing design so you can paste the character exactly where you need it. Start by opening your design in Canva. On the left sidebar, click Apps. In the search bar, type Text Character Pro and open the app. You'll see categories like science, math, and accents to help you narrow things down. Browse or search until you find the exact character you need. When you see it, simply click the character to copy it. Then click into your text box on the design and paste it. On Windows, use Ctrl+V, and on Mac, use Ctrl+V. If you prefer, you can also click Add to Design within the app. That drops the character onto your canvas so you can move and resize it like any other element. A quick tip, if the pasted character doesn't match your text styling, highlight it and apply the same font, size, and color as the rest of your text so everything looks consistent. If you want to use your computer's built-in tools, here's how to do it on both Windows and Mac. On Windows, open the character map by searching for it from your Start menu. On Mac, open Font Book from your Applications folder. In either tool, first select the same font you're using in Canva. That way, the character you pick will look consistent when you paste it. Now browse the available characters or glyphs and locate the one you need. In Character Map on Windows, click the character, choose Select, and then copy. In Font Book on Mac, select the character and copy it. Head back to your Canva design, click into your text box, and paste using Ctrl+V or Ctrl+V. If the character appears as a box or looks off, it usually means the chosen font doesn't support that symbol. Switch to a font that includes the character, or try the Text Character Pro app again to grab a version that works. Once the character is in place, adjust size, spacing, or line height so it blends seamlessly with your text. That's all you need to confidently add special characters in Canva. Thanks for watching.